Hi, this is Karen Gravity and today we're gonna review the WalkingPad C2. Let's go! The C2 is a foldable walking pad that will allow you to burn calories from the comfort of your home, which means you will be able to store it under the sofa, under your bed, wherever you want. It weighs only 25 kg, which means you will be able to move it around very easily. Plus, it got two front wheels at the front, so you won't need to carry it completely to move it around. Its max capacity is 100 kg, but don't worry, if you are above, you can go for the A1 Pro, which is another model from WalkingPad. And you got another video on the channel if you need to. This walking pad goes from 0.5 to 6 km per hour, which will allow you to go from a slow walk to a dynamic one in no time. You will be able to adjust the speed with the remote control or by using the automatic mode, which will adjust the speed depending on how fast you go on the platform. It got a digital screen at the front where you will be able to see different information like the speed, the distance, the step, and the calorie you are burning, which is really cool. You will be able to download the KS app where you will be able to track your progress. Personally, I'm not using it, but it's good to know that you can. This platform is 120 centimeters long and 40 large, which will suit most body type and make your walks super comfortable. If your floor is not completely flat, don't worry, you can adjust the fit. It comes in different colors such as black, white, yellow, blue. I personally choose white to match my standing desk. By the way, if you want more information about my standing desk, you can check this video. I need to make a little complaint about this one that will be about the color of the two front wheels. I will personally prefer to go for black or white, but at the end it's not a deal breaker. To summarize, the C2 is a walking pad bestseller for a reason. You will be able to burn more calories from your home while walking, while watching your favorite TV show and spending more time with your family. Regardless of the weather, you will be able to stay consistent and improve your health. You won't have to waste any more time in the traffic jam or in a busy gym. About the price, the C2 comes in a higher range, but it's completely justified by the quality of the material. I own multiple walking pads and after 2 years, they're still doing very well. And the good news is you will get 20% off by using my link and the code in the description. In the meantime, if you have any question regarding the C2 or any other model, leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to reply. And that's it for me. I wish you a lovely day and I will see you soon. Ciao!